Hello everyone and welcome to our comparison review video of two amazing air fryers, the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. In this video, we'll be comparing these two products in terms of their features, functionality, and ease of use. So, if you're in the market for a new air fryer, then stick around as we dive into the details of these two products. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Both the COSORI and the Instant Vortex Plus offer multiple functions including air frying, roasting, baking, and broiling. However, the COSORI has the advantage of offering more than 12 functions, allowing for more diverse cooking options. The Instant Vortex Plus, on the other hand, offers a dehydrating function that the COSORI does not have. The COSORI has a capacity of 25 liters, which can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or 5 pounds whole chicken. The Instant Vortex Plus, on the other hand, is a bit smaller, perfect for 4 to 6 servings. Both air fryers are designed to cook food faster than traditional ovens. The COSORI has 6 heat elements and temperatures up to 450 degrees F, allowing food to cook up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven. The Instant Vortex Plus, on the other hand, has little to no preheating time and offers a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees F. Both air fryers offer smart features, which allow you to connect your device to the air fryer for even more control. The COSORI features the VSync app, allowing you to make meals from your phone. The Instant Vortex Plus features customizable one-touch programs for quick and easy meals, as well as a clear window and internal light for monitoring cooking progress. Both air fryers feature non-stick surfaces that make cleaning a breeze. The COSORI also has an external removable crumb tray to prevent soup from dirtying the bottom. Both the air fryer and tray for the Instant Vortex Plus are dishwasher safe, making cleaning up even simpler. And that concludes our comparison review video of the COSORI Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. Both of these products have their advantages and disadvantages, but ultimately it comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision about which air fryer is right for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.